Hey friends, who's hungry? Next time you lay out a meat and cheese tray, don't forget to include a handful of spicy pickled okra. In a medium saucepan, combine 2 teaspoons of dill seed, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of dill weed, 1 teaspoon of whole mustard seed, 1/4 cup of dried onion, 1 to 3 seeded and chopped jalapeno peppers, depending on how hot you want it, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, 1 1/4 cups of apple cider vinegar, and 2 1/4 cups of water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium and simmer until the salt is dissolved. Pack whole washed okra pods into clean pint jars. Pour the brine over the okra, leaving 1/4 inch of headspace. Store the okra in the refrigerator, or you can preserve it for longer using the water bath canning method. The okra will be ready to eat after 3 weeks. Follow me for more Southern recipes.